Welcome back! Today, we're jumping right into how you can control physical movement using an Arduino UNO R4 and a servo motor.
Here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, an overview of the servo motor, then a wiring guide, why you need an external power source, testing those rotation angles, and we'll wrap up with a really cool smart trash can project.
Number 1. Overview of the servo motor. Let's cover the basics of movement.
So, what exactly is a servo motor? It's simply a hardware component that turns its handle to very precise angles. Usually, you're looking at a range of motion right between 0 and 180 degrees.
To control it, you just need to know its 3 pins. The red wire is your VCC power, the black or brown wire is your ground, and that yellow or orange wire, that's your signal line.
Number 2, our servo motor wiring guide. Let's get this connected to the Arduino.
Wiring this up is literally just 3 steps. First, hook up your yellow or orange signal wire directly to Arduino pin 9. Next, take the red wire and connect it to a 5-volt power source. And finally, connect that black or brown wire straight to ground.
Number 3. External power source benefits. This is absolutely crucial for protecting your hardware.
There's a really stark contrast to keep in mind here. If you plug your servo directly into the Arduino's 5-volt pin, you are running a high risk of damaging your board. You definitely want to use an external power supply instead because it's safe, stable, and highly recommended.
But here is the most critical detail. You absolutely must connect the ground wire of your external power supply directly to the Arduino UNO R4's ground pin. If they don't share that ground connection, your setup just won't work.
Number 4. Testing servo rotation angles. Time to see this thing in action. In your Arduino code, you're going to use one super simple command. You just type servo.write and drop your target angle right into the parentheses. That tells the motor exactly where to go.
For example, if you send an angle of 0, the motor's handle will immediately snap to its starting physical position at exactly 0 degrees.
Then you command it to sweep all the way to 180 degrees. This gives you a perfect visual test that your wiring and your code are fully successful.
Number 5. The Smart Trash Can Project. Let's look at a practical application. What can we actually build with this in the real world? Well, you only need 3 things for this build. Your Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi, the servo motor we just wired up, and an HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor to measure distance.
found this explainer helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share so we can keep bringing you these simple guides. Now that you have the power to control physical movement, what everyday object are you going to automate next? See you next time.